Hello everyone. This video celebrates the skill and dedication of workers through satisfying moments that amaze and inspire. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Thank you. A little patience and the right tools, and pet hair disappears, leaving a clean space behind. Have you ever seen anyone playing with thinner than this man? An efficient way to restore a dented door. This is how he cuts fiber optic cables. Such skillful precision, not a single wasted motion. This job doesn't just provide income, it's pure entertainment too. A unique design, but is it safe? Many think this is a press, but it's actually a cutter. The magic happens at the end of the clip. This job demands extreme focus. Losing concentration for a moment could cost you a hand. You won't realize how dirty your home is until you clean the air filter. Satisfying to watch, as if technology is performing a mechanical symphony. This machine teaches us a lesson: life sometimes needs a touch of grace and gentleness. Sometimes, even a small saw can add color to life. Farming now combines tradition with modern technology. This unique cooking method gives the cake its signature flavor. Absolute effectiveness, every turn is a testament to modern technology. Each broom is born from skillful hands and efficient machinery. You can tell his sense of responsibility just by watching. Carpentry is not just a job, it's a tribute to golden hands and creative minds. Simple yet extraordinary, this is the power of creative labor. Watching this makes me worry for his fingers. Every hammer strike is precise, turning heavy work into a masterpiece. So many chefs would love to have this robot. Top-notch machinery, smooth hills, the art of labor at its finest. Extracting honey feels like painting a masterpiece of purity and perfection. A simple task, yet it lays the foundation for incredible dishes. Each precise stroke of the blade reveals art from the thinnest layers of paint. Peak efficiency, every detail perfected to the millimeter. The hands of a craftsman bring vibrant colors to every street. Every intricate carving shows the craftsman's skill and dedication. Everything flows so smoothly I can't take my eyes off it. Machines and humans come together to create satisfying moments. Solid walls built with creativity and remarkable progress. Aesthetic and skillful, these beauticians are true artists. Red-hot fire and labor forge masterpieces, honoring the blacksmith's hands. Inside these pastries are the sweat and dedication of the bakers.
That concludes today's video. Take care and remember the lessons learned. We're eager for your feedback. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you soon.